This is 7 National News, and in our top story, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi and Deputy Supreme Commander of the UAE Armed Forces, spoke with President Vladimir Putin of Russia about bilateral ties and ways to enhance them. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed affirmed the UAE's intent to develop its relations with Russia in a way that will serve the interests of both countries. President Putin praised the special relations between the two countries in all fields. The two sides also reviewed a number of issues relating to the latest regional developments, particularly in Syria, as well as efforts towards supporting stability and security in the region. Her Excellency Reem Al-Hashimi, the UAE Minister of State and Board Representative of the Expo 2020 High Committee and Director General of the Bureau Dubai Expo 2020, addressed global business industry leaders as Dubai prepares to be officially registered as a host city. Her Excellency Al-Hashimi welcomed the opportunity to learn from other successful hosts of major events reflecting the Expo's theme of connecting minds, creating the future. Her Excellency stated 6 days ahead of Dubai's formal registration as host city for the Expo 2020, it is timely to take part in the 2015 Host Cities Summit and to hear insights from global industry leaders who have created successful mega events, all of which have left an indelible mark on the world. In exchanging ideas and sharing experiences with thought leaders from the worlds of sport, entertainment, commerce and marketing, we can learn and apply the lessons from past events to future events in Dubai, most notably the Expo in the year 2020. United Nations Refugee Agency has launched a regional winter campaign to protect refugees from harsh winter across the Middle East. The director of the Bureau for the Middle East and North Africa at UNHCR, Amin Awad, was quoted in a newspaper as saying that an online donation platform has been launched with the aim of teaming up with individuals in the region who are able to contribute. The director added that this is the simplest way to enable individuals to reach out to and support those in need, and they are counting on the strong support of every person in the region to make this a successful campaign. UNHCR's winter campaign has been launched at a time when some 15 million displaced people across the Middle East, including countries such as Jordan, Lebanon, Egypt, Syria and Iraq, are trying to survive the coming winter, where several villages and towns are expected to receive waves of snowfall, heavy rain and strong winds throughout the season. Lebanon hosts over 1 million Syrian refugees, with more than half of them living in garages, abandoned buildings and makeshift tented settlements. UNHCR estimates suggest that more than 975,000 people, including hundreds of Syrian families, will suffer from winter and will need assistance to keep warm and dry this winter. In line with a UAE cabinet decision, Dubai Healthcare City Authority has announced that it will regulate the practice of pharmacies and regulate the licensing of pharmacists within Dubai Healthcare City Free Zone. According to news agency WAM, the decision came into effect on 1st of November this year, and the decision will affect 15 pharmacies and close to 100 pharmacists in the Free Zone. From the 1st of December, new pharmacies and pharmacists will be required to register with the Dubai Healthcare City Authority. Under the new regulation, the authority will issue and renew licenses of all pharmacies and pharmacy practitioners, and will also conduct inspections and issue violation notices, which were previously jointly handled by the UAE Ministry of Health and the authority. Praising the UAE cabinet decision, Dr. Raja Al Ghurq, the Vice Chairperson and Executive Director of Dubai Healthcare City Authority, said the decision will strengthen our governance and improve our standards. Dr. Ramadan Al-Blushi, the Managing Director, Dubai Healthcare City Authority Regulatory, added that the licensure of pharmacy practitioners is linked to continuing professional development, and to renew licenses, all pharmacy practitioners must demonstrate a minimum 30 CPD credit points. And staying in healthcare, the Dubai Health Authority's 24-hour health centres received 445,336 patients from January to October this year. That's according to a top DHA official. The two centres, Nad Al Hamar and Al Barsha, serve a population of over 60,000 residents each. Dr. Manal Al-Taryam, the CEO of Primary Healthcare at the DHA, was quoted as saying that the aim of the 24-hour service is to provide patients with access to healthcare and reduce the pressure of non-urgent medical cases that the DHA hospital's emergency departments receive. From January to October this year, both the centres have functioned round the clock on all days, including public holidays. The Naad Al Hamar Health Centre has received 149,251 outpatients, and the Al Barsha Health Centre has received 296,085 outpatients. Al-Taryam added that in addition to offering family medicine services, these centres have several specialised clinics including gynecology, paediatrics, dermatology, nutrition, dentistry, chronic diseases, premarital testing, pharmaceutical services and intermediate-level urgent cases. Abu Dhabi's waste is set to double in the next 25 years, according to industry experts, and the capital's current management facilities will not be sufficient to cope with the increase. Tadweer, Abu Dhabi's Centre of Waste Management, made the announcement while brainstorming the Abu Dhabi Waste Management Master Plan 2040 in the capital on Wednesday, which also addresses the UAE's waste reduction target of 85% by the year 2021. Officials also warned that a lack of social awareness, poor data collection, inadequate recycling and a population which is expected to double over the next 25 years are all contributing to the capital's growing waste problem. Figures show around 12 million tonnes of waste was produced by Abu Dhabi in the year 2013, while other statistics show that the Emirates' population doubled in the last 10 years, which has also doubled the amount of waste produced. Officials also warned immediate action must be taken as this increase in waste could impact both the environment and the population. The master plan meeting also saw some suggested solutions at industrial and social levels and the requirement for new regulations. And finally, one of the leading hotelier brands, Méridien Dubai Hotel and Conference Centre, inaugurated the opening of the Great Ballroom on Wednesday night, with the capacity to accommodate 1,750 guests, while also offering a platform to hold important events in the region. At an entertaining evening of exciting performances and giveaways, a grand ceremony was hosted to celebrate the launch of the Great Ballroom at Méridien Dubai. Addressing the gathering, hotel authorities mentioned that Great Ballroom reflects a sign of times to come in the UAE, which is becoming a fast-growing leading MICE destination globally, while also offering a special venue for business and entertainment. Officials stated that the 2,467 square metre pillar-less ballroom will make it one of the tallest and most spacious ballroom venues in the city. Commenting on the venue, hotel officials highlighted that as Dubai is globally recognised for hosting major events, they're confident that this venue will offer a great platform for various regional and international conferences and exhibitions. Officials stated that the Great Ballroom comes with sky hooks on the ceiling and large doors to provide a creative space for all kinds of events. The Great Ballroom, located on the ground level of the hotel, is directly connected to the main road close to the airport, with the aim of providing an easy access to its guests and companies.
Yeah, so we're here at the opening event of the Great Ballroom at the Méridien Dubai Hotel and Conference Centre. Amazing new venue for Dubai, unique. 3 big open kitchens, a majlis area, a bridal suite, all overlooking the big Great Ballroom. It's really the new destination for all your MICE and wedding event business here in Dubai. After opening the Royal Club about a year and a half ago now, we really have the destination here with our 18 outlets. And now 24 different meeting rooms with a capacity that is maxing all your big weddings. So it's really something that we're proud of to now present to our customers, our corporates and anyone that is looking for a big event.
27,000 square feet of ballroom space will add an enormous new dimension to our hotel, already a strong hotel in the market. The Méridien Dubai has been here for 35 plus years, and this new facility will let us now capture a lot more of the MICE market, the event market, the wedding market, and generally the meetings market in the city. It's a fantastic new addition.